Hey guys, welcome to OnceHub tutorials. My name is Shanu and I'm a part of OnceHub support team. In this video, I will show you how to create a new routing form in OnceHub. So let's go. Once you log into your OnceHub account, you will see your home screen. From here, you need to click on Routing Forms from the left panel. Next, you need to click on Create Routing Form button in the top right corner. Here, you will get two options. You can either create it from scratch or you can select one of the given templates. For templates, if you want to change the industry, you can click on Change and then select the industry type. You can also preview a template by clicking on Preview button. This will show you a live preview of the routing form interactions. Now once you've decided which one to select, click on Select button, enter the routing form name and select the owner who will manage this routing form. Finally, click on Create button. Right, you're all set now. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.